In this video I'm going to show you how to use a fixative spray to protect your pencil drawings. The fixative spray that I use is this one provided by Holbein Art Materials. When you use the fixative, make sure you're outside because you don't want to breathe in the fumes. Or if that's not possible, make sure you open all the windows and ventilate. A mask would also be advisable to protect yourself from the fumes, and goggles because you don't want fixative in your eye. Now you must spray the drawing with the drawing set vertically. I can't stress this enough. You see, if large droplets come out of the spray while spraying the drawing that is positioned horizontally, then those heavier, larger droplets will land on your drawing and show up as dark spots or runs, damaging your drawing. So when spraying the fixative with your drawing set vertically, should any larger, heavier drops come out of the spray, they tend to fall down and miss your drawing. Now, you also must give the spray can a thorough shake and make sure that you don't spray any closer than 30 centimeters or 12 inches from the drawing. Also, you must fully press down the button on the top of the spray to get enough air pressure and to avoid large droplets coming out in the first place. Here I am spraying from about 45 centimeters or 18 inches from the drawing, spraying from left to right while scanning downwards, and then spraying up and down while scanning from right to left. I did 3 coats for this particular drawing because of the large amount of graphite on it, especially the dark background. I had no problems whatsoever with the fixative running or dripping down the page or my drawing becoming darker. You couldn't tell that it had even had fixative sprayed on it. So using this method allowed me to spray 2 coats on each of these drawings with no problems at all. In fact, I quite enjoyed myself. So if you want to see how I drew any of these drawings, check out these links here. Thank you for watching.